Hi Shalja, this is your bridal sample file, and this is the sketch I have made for you. It has a border, 6 inches border. The dupatta will have sequins all over with the contrast shade dupatta and net, and a similar shade dupatta which you will be putting up on the shoulder, and we're going to give you handmade tassels, and the fabric we will be using is raw silk. Alright, and the colors we have done for your outfit are 133 and 131 as requested. Now I will go through your sample file. This is a printout of the sketch, and these are 3 embroidery samples we are giving you to choose from. The first one has kardana and sequence work. The second one has dabka work and kardana work and zari work, and the third one is sequence work and zari work and kardana work. So there is a difference. I'm sure you can see when you look at the samples in your hand. And the fabric we have used here is pure raw silk. Please ignore this. We just drew, taking inspiration from the jewelry set you showed me. Otherwise, all of these blue lines or any of the marks would just go away in the final lehenga. This is the back neckline of your blouse. If you want to change this or have any other idea in your mind, please do let me know. And this is how the second dupatta will look like with the border. And the first dupatta is also going to look like the same as this one, just another shade. And for the dupatta, I'm planning to give you this border. So that's why I've kept it next to, this is the dupatta fabric, net, and this is raw silk. So for the red dupatta, we would make this in red shade, and for the golden one, we would just make it like this and put it up with the golden shade dupatta. And we would use the same thing in the lehenga as well, over here, but in a bigger size. And this is the fabric. This is shantoon. This we use for the lining, and this is raw silk. We are trying to show you like the small booties which we'll be doing in the blouse, front and back. So all these samples you can have a look and tell me what you like and what you don't like. So now comes Varun's Sherwani. So Varun, for you, I have in the sketch itself, I have given you 2 options. One is the sample. I'll show you in the samples further. So these are 2 patterns which we can do for you. You can always decide which one you like. And the back, we the first option I'm giving you is giving you like a big booty in a paisley shape. Or if you choose this design, then we can do something according to this design. And the fabric is going to be cotton silk. So Varun, for you, one fabric option is brocade. We can use brocade. As you can also see, there is a self weave in it. And then we have done embroidery. This is sample 1. It has the dabka work, stone work, katana work. As you said, you want the booties to be a bit heavier, so that's what we have done over here. Okay, the second sample is again this is moti work, stone work, dabka work, and sequence work over here. Just ignore all of this. It won't be there in the final ready outfit. And the third sample is a mix of moti work, stone work, dabka work. You can see, there is a difference, but you'll be able to judge. Even the colors are different. So whatever shade you like from these samples, we can use that. Or if you like Shelja's shade, we can match up with that too. And this is the sample we created. Remember I showed you what we had made, the original Sherwani in thread work, and you said you wanted a heavier version of that. So this came up as the heavier version, but to me it wasn't looking nice. But still, I've attached the sample over here in case you want to have a look and see how does it look. But I personally feel these, out of any of these 3, we should go with any of these 3 embroidery samples. And the fabric again, this is raw silk, but the shade would be definitely this one. And or we can use this is pure brocade fabric. Thank you so much. Let me know your feedback on the samples.